Hey everyone! Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you how to create a page in SharePoint, a great way to share ideas, updates, or important information. Let's get started. First, from your SharePoint site, select New, and then choose Page. You'll see a few layout options or templates to pick from. Choose the one that fits your needs best. For this example, I'll start with a blank page so we can build it step by step. Now let's customize the page. Click the title area to edit it, and type in a clear, meaningful title for your page. In this example, I'll name it Content Collaboration in Microsoft 365. To add the main image at the top, click on the image icon. You can upload a new one or pick from your site's existing images. In this example, I'll choose an image from my local storage. Once added, adjust the focal point so the key part of the image stands out nicely. Next, let's add a new section. Click the plus sign and choose a layout, for example, 1 column, 2 columns, or a custom design. Here I choose 1 column. Inside any section, click the plus sign again to add a web part. Web parts are the building blocks of your page. You can add text, images, videos, documents, or even dynamic content like Microsoft Forms or Power BI reports. In this example, I've added an events web part. After inserting a web part, you can edit and customize it to make your content look exactly how you want. Once everything looks good, click Save and Close, and just like that, your page is ready. And finally, click the Publish button to make your page live. Once your page is published, you can promote it to help others find it easily. For example, here I have added it to your site navigation. And that's it. You can easily creating beautiful, functional SharePoint page. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips.